Okay, I am reviewing the Creative Co-op antique brass clock. Um, this is my vibe. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I need it. Um, and when I received it, I mean, it didn't look like it was damaged or anything. Although when they antiqued it, I feel like they could have done maybe a little bit better job. I don't know. I mean, I'm not hating that, but what I do hate is that I keep having to adjust batteries and things. Like I've put 3 different batteries in it because um, it stops or something. Like I just fixed the time right before filming this. So hopefully it'll work for a little while because I do look at it when I'm getting ready for work in the morning. Like I have it in my little windowsill in my bathroom. Um, it's freaking cute and it looks way more expensive than what I spent on it, which is surprising since it's Creative Co-op. I mean, it looks like it's about 60, 50 or $60, but it was, I want to say 30 or 35. Um, so yeah, I like it. Sorry, I'm being loud. And this is really cute. I like this. The only thing is, like I said, it keeps stopping or, yeah. And I have tried numerous batteries, so I know it's not the battery. Anyway, yeah,